I'm in so high spirits. I'm in such a good mood. Hey, hey. Hi, boo boo. Smoochie. You don't want to see. Makusha. I'm cleaning utensils, guys. Guys, I've done wig lines. Kenya nimebakisha ni kumanifest a wig. Ukishafanya lines, next step is manifesting that wig. And I'm manifesting it with you guys. Ati? Guys, I haven't vlogged for a whole week. I know. Slacking on consistency, but now today I'm in so high spirits. I'm in such a good mood. Hey, I feel, guys, let me tell you one thing. When I'm in a good mood, I can clean. I will clean the entire house. I will do everything. But when I'm not in the mood, I force my sister to help me. Achilia sasa zikiwa hivyo ninakaa kama mama. We achilia.
Siwache ikae hivi.
Shida unakuanga na mshamba.
Unakaa smart.
Masani ya kuosha vyombo. Katwa anaonekananga kwa vlog zote. Hey boo boo. Ambia my subscribers, way. Tell my subscribers, way.
Ambia no. Ambia bye.
Ambia ntia kuwekea cartoon. Lakini unajua tufai kuwa tunamwekea cartoon sana by the way. Anafaa anacheza cheza. Ama hata ukamwotesha jua. Guys, I want to clean utensils. After I'm done, I need to clean shoes. Yeah. And then from there, I'll be organizing my closet. It looks disheveled. Yeah. I'll do all those things with you guys today. Yeah.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, who would things be different? Or am I wasting my time overanalyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a
Yeah, edges.
Mwambie look at these.
I'm trying to cut here, the other side.
Kachu?
Let me show me your edges. Oh, beautiful.
Mwambie you are scanty.
Mine could never. Mommy could never. Guys, now that I'm done cleaning utensils, let me show you my kitchen tour. It's a small kitchen, like there's nothing much to show. So there is a sink, and then that's where I place those stuff, and then there's that, and then there's my small gas here that's very old, as you can see, and then on this table is where I put my sufurias under there. Yeah, and then the gas is there, and then there's where I put my utensils. As you can see, my daughter has really disorganized it, and then here there's some bananas. I've put some bananas there. Yeah, that's basically it. And then there are shelves up there that I won't show you because I haven't arranged them honestly. So yeah, the shelves up there, and that's basically it. Yeah, so we put some things on top of the shelf. Yeah.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time overanalyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush.
If I call you at midnight, would you pick up right away? Or just leave it for another day? Or would you come through? Would you come through? If I needed you right now, would you already be heading out? 'Cause my life sounds a little lonely, coming home. Girl, you're my only one, my one and only. If you care that much, baby, come and show me. Deep talks in your arms up until the morning. So if I call you right now, would you already be heading out? If you're in town and yeah, you come around, would you let me know right then? Or would you hang out with your friends? Or would you see me? Would you make it a point to see me? Even though you have been gone, but it hasn't been that long. 'Cause all the unspoken words, they seem quiet. But baby, I'm comfortable with all the silence. And I'd be lying if I said I didn't like it. And it'd be way too hard for me to try to fight it. So if I call you right now, would you already be heading out? If I call you at midnight, would you pick up right away? Or just leave it for another day? If I call you at midnight, would you pick up right away? Or just leave it for another day?
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain. And maybe in that other universe, I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different life, I'm still 7 in 2nd grade. And I'm so happy that I feel alright, and that I haven't met my brain. And maybe somewhere in a different world, my mom's a bug inside a tree. My My dad's the scientist who captured her, but now it's time to set her free.